Good morning, Primary 3. In this video, we shall continue Unit 5 in Connect Plus. In this lesson, it's a reading lesson, okay? In this lesson, we are going to learn more about the types of water. And what are the different types of water? At first, we have to say that there is two types of liquid water. The fresh water that you can drink because there is no salt in it, and salt water like in the sea, okay? Type. River and lakes have fresh water in them. You can drink water from the river or from the lake. But you can't drink water from the sea or from the ocean. The ocean is larger than the sea. Okay? You can't drink water from the sea because it contains salt. It's salt water. Okay, let's read together. Okay? There are two types of liquid water: fresh water and salt water. Rivers and lakes have fresh water in them, but the water comes from precipitation and springs. Okay, the water comes from precipitations and springs. Seas and oceans have salt water in them. We can't drink water from the sea or the ocean because rain washes minerals from the land and from rocks. Again, the rain washes minerals from land and from rocks. These minerals go into the sea in runoff water, okay? Of course, rivers don't have salt water because the rain keeps fresh water moving through them, okay? Now it's time to make or to do an experiment, okay? In this picture, the children are doing some experiments in the classroom, in science class. They put salt water in one beaker and fresh water in another beaker, okay? When they heated the water in the beakers, look what happened, okay? The water has the salt water, it has evaporated and we can see the salt. But the fresh water, the water has evaporated and the beaker is empty. Okay? Now we are going to speak about some water facts. Okay? Let's match and say. Number 1, the Dead Sea is a small sea, okay, and it's surrounded by land, okay. The water here has a lot of salt in it because of the salt. You can float in the Dead Sea, okay. Okay, for number 1, the Dead Sea, which picture are you going to choose? Of course, we are going to choose picture number B. Let's read number 2. The water in an oasis is fresh. Okay, we can drink from this water. It comes from lakes and rivers that are under the ground. Which picture? Yeah, picture number A. Number 3. Ice is frozen water. In polar regions, when ice is formed from salt water, the salt is squeezed out and only the water freezes. This means the ice isn't salty. You can melt the water and drink it. It's a new information for me and also I think for you. Now it's time for some phonics. Today we are going to learn about the schwa and how we pronunciate it, okay? The schwa, you can pronunciate it if you said just ah, ah, ah. Listen: river, water, polar, cupra. So as you can hear that we pronunciate these sound just that as if you are relaxing, okay? Now in exercise number 2, he wants me to underline the schwa ending, okay? Acacia, acacia, where's the schwa sound? Yes, in here. Shelter, yeah. And cheetah, cheetah, in here. Now exercise number 3, we are going to choose from the table, the yellow table, and complete this passage. Okay, the cheetah is taking is taking a shelter. Write down shelter in here. Under an acacia tree. It's looking at the it's looking at what? The water under the cobra. That's all for today. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much and goodbye.